It's bright and sunny, and it's November. It's like a true fall now. It's freezing every night, but it's faking me out. It says it's gonna be 62 degrees, so I didn't wear a jacket. And it's windy this morning, and it's not 62 yet.
The sun is shining, so I'll take it. We're gonna go to Desert Industries in Riverton, see what we can flip for a profit. We're a little bit late, but we still have like tons of England stuff to get listed, so I'm not worried.
Yeah, this is probably last week of that, and then we'll hit it hard again next week.
Not very busy in here, which is good. This is really cute. I'm gonna grab it. It doesn't have a price, but if I can find something to put it on, then we'll make a marriage. If not, then I'll put it back. All right, let's see if there's any Italian. I have so many good dishes that it's kind of hard to think about buying anymore. But last week I found some dishes and they all sold. So I'm still looking for good ones if I find them. Let's see if they have any canisters. I think this is where I got the rooster canisters last week. Oh, that's cute. There's only one. But it's really cute and only 75 cents. What do you think? This is like a cat, a bunny? Oh, it's bunny Tellin. We'll see if we can find another one. I'll get this even if there's just one.
All right, while I walk back there, last week at this thrift store, we got 6 scooters, electric scooters. And I was really hopeful that we just plug those in and charge them. And 2 kind of work, and the rest of them seem like they need new motors. But at the price, I'm not super sad about it. I mean, a little disappointed, but they were so cheap, I couldn't leave them here. I think we're good on lamps for now. I'm not seeing any that I'm like, oh, I absolutely love that. Although those brass lamps are pretty good. I do need some picture frames for some stuff that we need to, I need to go, oh, that one's only $4. What I need to do is I need to go raid the barn and see what picture frames I have there. That is a huge basket. Like you could probably fit a couple quilts in that thing. $10. We'll see if Jami spies it and wants it. I think that's a little too big. Look at it next to the cart here.
I saw this from across the room. It's so bad that it's good. I think it's cute, very cottagey. And you could even, if you wanted to like tone it back, just cut the fringe a little shorter. It's only $3, so I'm gonna grab it. I see Ray Gunn says relax. It's gonna be good for the holiday season. And this one says explore, so I'll get both of them.
So these are intriguing. They're $1 each. They're just like the end of stair treads that looks like they got cut off to fit the stairs. They're fancy though. Is that? Looks like oak veneer, but thick oak veneer. Do I have any projects that I need these for? It's always dangerous walking down here. There's usually some large mirror or something that I want, or a huge clock. I already have a huge clock. Man, this one's like a big stopwatch style for $10. Look how big that is. The numbers are like as big as my palm. I think I'm gonna leave it. I got a wall of huge clocks. Came up empty out in the yard. Are these just stabbed on here? Oh, they're magnets. This is kind of cool. This is a big one like that other one, but the face is smaller. This one is that a 15? Looks like this one's 15. So the top unscrews off of this too, so that would be easy to ship, but it looks like it's been dropped and broken, and the top is actually plastic. So I'm gonna leave that.
Do you want to see what I got off that cart? First off, we've got a tree star. I might leave it as is or add some gold. Some picks. I actually really just love this one with buttons. This one probably not my favorite, but I think it could be cute. And then this one I'll just cut off the part that's broken, but it's only $2 for all 3 picks, which is a good deal. And then we've got these cute little crochet Christmas trees. There's 2 of them. There's that one down there. And they're $1 each. And then this little wreath It's probably gonna be about $1. And then we've got this jar here. We've got this here. It's got like a cool mirrored vase. And then for Jack, because he will think it's hilarious, it's only $2. That was a good cart. All right, so they brought out another cart. I'm debating on this wreath because I could put pine cones and IOD on it and make it cute. The bow's gotta go because it's dirty and not my favorite shade of red. But for sure I'm gonna get this. It's $1.50. It's missing the base. But then I found this and I was like, you know, what if I do the little spray foam thing and put that inside there? I think that'd be really cute. So that's a good combo. And then these are only $1.50 a bunch. And as soon as Christmas comes down, we're gonna need spring. So I'm gonna grab these tulips because they're cute. All right, so it's only $3. I'll ask Seb what he thinks about that one. I did find this. It's got a candle in it and it's $2. So it's got one of those like battery operated candles. So that's a good deal.
My cart is still empty. Jamie's finding some good stuff.
Look at this. It's only $2. And it's like a Chewbacca where it talks like him. So we can try new batteries.
Nice.
This is literally the most bizarre thing I've ever seen. This is hot glued. So I'm thinking I can probably use a heat gun to remove this and then sand this. It's like a wood cutting board, originally from Pottery Barn. So sand it, oil it. But I love this. If I can save this, I feel like it'd be worth the $2 to get the cutting board and this. So we'll see what happens.
Look at these old strap-on skates. $15 for them. They've got old metal wheels on them there. I think those are metal. So Jamie's already been down all these aisles here. It's my job to see if she missed anything. I still have an empty cart. I've seen a lot of things that I was like, I could get that. Oh, I could get that. But it's been a little too overpriced or needed a little bit of work that I don't have time to do to it right now, which is fine. That's okay. We have tons of stuff that we need to process still from England. I thought I might be going home empty-handed, but I found this copper mold for 75 cents, just 2.5 cup mold, and I'm gonna get it for 75 cents. I'm not gonna leave it here. I almost thought I'd failed at my job. This is literally what I do for a living. I hadn't found anything yet.
I'm still working on cottage stuff, but these 2 baskets are perfect. I'm gonna check out the price for them. They're $8 each. I don't know how much they normally sell for, so I'll have to look them up. They sell at Lowe's for $17. I'm not gonna pick them up. It's half the price, but I'm not ready for them yet, and it's not worth storing them for that. So I'll just remember Lowe's is the cheapest place. So not my normal purchase, but this is a custom Disney tumbler, and I don't think it's ever been used because the instructions are still inside.
Meanwhile, Jamie's cleaning up. Oh, she got that wreath I passed on.
So this is a cutting board from Pottery Barn, and this is hot glued on. I think we could get this off, sand this, and then for $2 you get this and this.
Nice. So I actually like this little box. That's a really quick, easy makeover. Not sure what it was supposed to be, but easy to decoupage, easy to paint, and it's got the good finger joints on there.
So we spent $38.50, just under $40.
We filled up a cart.
We filled up a cart. It's kind of random odds and ends, but lots of like holiday stuff. I got some spring stuff.
I should say Jami filled up a cart because I got 2 things.
Are you even working today?
I'm not. I took the morning off. We'll see how the next store goes.
On this video though, we will see if we can get that unglued. I might not finish the cutting board, but we'll get out the heat gun so you guys, we don't want to leave you hanging until next week, because that is the weirdest thing. I've never seen a pot glued to a cutting board before, but that's what happens when you thrift. Next up, Goodwill. We did get tacos and a little teeny tiny soda. Zeb just had a water. He's being healthy today.
So we're at Goodwill, and I am gonna buy something here, whether it needs made over or not. I've committed to it. I passed on a lot of things that needed some work at the other thrift store, but we're gonna get some stuff.
Let's see what we can find to flip for a profit. Well, it looks like Halloween is down, and we've got Christmas in. Look at those. They're pretty great. I'm gonna grab all of them. This is a great tree topper. I like the look of the Santa. This Santa is $12.99, but he's really great.
What is on the top of the racks? Well, those are fun snowmen. That's actually a pretty heavy gauge steel. $5.99 each. Dusty rose ornaments, $2.99. I think I'm gonna get these are good big ornaments. They've got 2 more back behind here, so we got 4 of those. That's good. That is a big lantern. How much they got on it here? $4.99. I think that'll be too hard to ship.
These are $12.99 too, but they are good wreaths. They don't need anything. So I'm gonna grab both of them. We need more wreaths in the shop, and this is less expensive than if I buy them wholesale. This is only $5.99, and these card holders do well, and they can ship flat, so it's going in the cart. Lots of Christmas here. I feel like they've been hoarding all the Christmas, waiting till now. So it was a good day to come, because last week they did not have this much at all. This is quite the teddy bear lamp. I don't know what this teddy bear ever did to them. It's kind of cute, kind of creepy. I'm gonna leave it here. I actually came over here because I saw this quilt. It's a tie quilt, looks like it's from the 70s, but it's a good one, so I'm gonna grab it. It's got some imperfections, but overall it's pretty good. Once again, my shopping cart is outperforming that of Zeb's, but he did buy something, and
I did.
I mean, we both saw these.
Yeah, I'm being judicious because, like I said, I've already mentioned it a few times, but there's just a lot of projects right now that need done, and we have a lot of stuff that doesn't need made
But
over.
clearly I'm showing no restraint because, hello, Christmas! It's all Christmas, except for this and the knobs that I bought, so.
Well, this quilt is good.
It is good. It's got a couple of imperfections, but it's good.
Okay, last thrift store of the day. We have filled up 2 carts, mostly due to Jami's hard work. I'm just here to be a driver today.
That's cute for $3. It's got like a cast iron finial on this little trinket dish for $1. That's so cute.
Liking this little desk topper box. Oh, it's got a drawer. I thought it had a lid, but it's got a drawer. Equally good. $5. It's basically crafting supplies. Oh, and it's made so it can hang on the back of something. You can hang it on a wall like a shelf. I really like the turned shape of this. It's $3. It's maple. I'm not even sure what you use it for, but the top pops off. It's got a little vial that screws out of there. It's like for hiding something. I don't know, but I'm gonna grab it because I think you could pop that top off and just use it for a taper candlestick. I like this sleigh. It's $20. It's pretty big. I don't think it comes apart, but it would be fun to just fill up with like presents or something. I'm actually pretty sad about this. This foosball table sold for $20. I'm too late.
All right, I might have a slight bunny problem. I don't like all bunnies, but I like cute bunnies. And this is adorable. So I think the one I bought last week sold. So I'm gonna keep buying like a bunny a week because I just think they'll be so cute on an Easter display. I'm always looking for fun things. This one, it's like a cute little rocking horse, but it's kind of lumpy on the bottom. It's not stuffed as well as I might have hoped. And I always look for games because vintage games sell well for us. All right, so another stuffed animal. This is a vintage Aurora hobby horse. You can tell from the tag that it's older. I don't see if it has a date on here. It doesn't, but I think this would be so cute with a big red ribbon next to the Christmas tree at the shop. I need to double check the kids' snow boots, but they have a huge selection here. I know Jack wears like a 7. Oh, it's only $6. I think I'm gonna grab these for him because he always needs extra snow boots, although I'm debating on whether or not to buy such an obnoxious bright green because he will literally wear them everywhere. I'll grab them, and then if I find a better looking pair at a later date, I will. And for anybody that thinks it's gross to buy shoes, I'm literally gonna throw these things in the washing machine. They will be disinfected and perfect for snow boots. And anybody who has kids knows they go through shoes like crazy, and snow boots, you can never find them when you need them. So it's just good to have a few extra pairs. Zeb's already been out here, but I am actually looking for big laundry basket, so I'm thinking about swapping from my plastic ones. Oh, look at this. How much is this plant? I just like the bottom. Oh, it's $4. I don't $4 like it because I have to get the foam out. But I'm wanting to switch from the plastic laundry baskets to wicker ones. So I'm going to be on the hunt for that.
This is 30 and I think it's actually old. Oh, there we go. There's the sound. Place to store some records. It's older for sure. So I found this. I think it's a little candle holder or dish. It was just down here in all these pots and pans. I think it's aluminum, could be pewter, one of the two.
We're still on a hunt for a bike for Jack. His was stolen. He left it overnight at school and somebody left the lock and took the bike, but I don't see anything. I might just grab one of the Black Friday deals if I can't find a good used one. He really feels bad about it, so I want to get him a new one before warm weather comes back. Zeb's gonna laugh when he sees this, but this is a Monchichi, and I remember these when I was a little girl. I love them. 1974, so this is even before me. Look how cute it is. Yeah, she has to go home with me. Zeb thinks he can just rip that off.
See how good the hot glue is.
Oh, don't break it. Maybe they use super glue on that.
That's on there pretty well, actually.
I was thinking maybe
I
like...
don't want to break it and cut myself.
Yeah, I was thinking maybe we just use like a heat gun or something.
You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go get a putty knife and see if I can get underneath there.
All right, we'll see. You get your Thor hammer out?
It's my wood hammer from England. Okay, but I am getting up underneath the bottom of it here.
This makes me very nervous.
We're going to be able to pop it up soon. Hang on.
All right, I missed it popping up, but it's been released.
Just got to undo that glue. It's like an epoxy or something.
All right, let's see what brand is this. Something Home. I don't know. Eddie Home. It's really cute. And then this, we're just gonna sand it and oil it. So I was thinking that this was gonna be an expensive pot because this is from Pottery Barn and then somebody just didn't care and epoxied it together. I looked this up. This is the large size because it's 9 inches tall. It retails for, let's look that up. This retails new for $145. It's hand thrown from Europe. So I think this was worth a gamble for $2 plus giant cutting board that we're gonna recreate.
Sorry I was such a bummer today and didn't find a whole lot of stuff, but Jami found a ton of things.
Hey, you worked out pretty good because look what you did. Look how cute this pot is. It was $2 for this and the Pottery Barn cutting board. So we'll get this off the bottom of here. We will sand down that cutting board and we'll have 2 things that we can sell for quite a bit more than $2.
Yes.
What a Christmas haul we had. Like, was not expecting that. Christmas mega thrift today. I'm excited to get it all listed.
Jami picked a few things that I wouldn't grab, so I'm glad she picked them because, I usually don't pick the holiday decor. I just set it up.
Just a heads up, Friday is the DIY new paint color release for the clay-based formula. We will have an extra video out Friday as part of a collab, so don't miss out on that. And if you like this video, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Jami Ray Vintage for more
DIY.
We'll see you on the next episode.